Taiwan's answer to air superiority, the AIDC F-CK-1 Ching-kuo, is an impressive sight in the sky. Named after the late Chinese President Chiang Ching-kuo, this multi-role fighter jet is a testament to Taiwan's commitment to securing its airspace. Developed and manufactured by the Aerospace Industrial Development Corporation, the Ching-kuo plays a pivotal role in Taiwan's air defense, serving as a symbol of the island's resilience and technological prowess. So, what makes this aircraft so special? Let's delve into the history and development of this fighter jet. The birth of the Ching-kuo wasn't an overnight affair. It's a product of years of meticulous design and development. The 1980s saw the inception of this multi-role fighter jet, built to replace Taiwan's aging F-5E/F-Tiger II fighters. The development was a combined effort by the Aerospace Industrial Development Corporation, General Dynamics, now known as Lockheed Martin, and a host of international partners. The result was an aerodynamically designed aircraft, equipped with a shoulder-mounted wing and a distinctive shark nose radome. It's a digital marvel, boasting a fly-by-wire flight control system, pulse-Doppler radar, and a helmet-mounted sight. Powering this beast are two Honeywell TFE 104270 turbofans, each churning out 8,800 pounds of thrust. The Ching-kuo doesn't just look good on paper, it performs superbly in the air. With a maximum speed of Mach 1.8, a combat radius of around 620 miles, and an operational ceiling of 55,100 feet, it's a force to be reckoned with. Its armament capacity is equally impressive, capable of carrying a range of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, rockets, and bombs. In 1994, the Republic of China Air Force welcomed the Ching-kuo into its ranks. Since then, the aircraft has undergone several upgrades, including the installation of new avionics and radar systems. From the drawing board to the sky, the Ching-kuo has proven itself to be a formidable machine. Over the years, the Ching-kuo has seen several upgrades, each one taking its performance a notch higher. Initially introduced with Republic of China Air Force in 1994, the aircraft has been constantly modernized to keep up with the evolving dynamics of aerial warfare. The versatility of this aircraft is truly remarkable. It has been designed to handle a variety of roles, including air-to-air combat, ground attack missions, and reconnaissance. This multi-role capability makes the Ching-kuo a valuable asset on any battlefield. When it comes to speed, the Ching-kuo doesn't disappoint. It can reach a top speed of Mach 1.8, which is roughly 1,100 miles per hour. This speed, coupled with its impressive service ceiling of 55,100 feet, allows the Ching-kuo to quickly respond to threats and maintain a strategic advantage. But the real strength of the Ching-kuo lies in its armament. It can carry a wide range of air-to-air and air-to-ground missiles, rockets, and bombs, making it a formidable force in combat. Whether it's engaging enemy aircraft or striking ground targets, the Ching-kuo is well equipped for the task. Through all its upgrades and operational history, the Ching-kuo has proven itself to be a reliable and versatile fighter jet. The Ching-kuo, with its power and versatility, continues to be an integral part of Taiwan's air defense. The AIDC F-CK-1 Ching-kuo is more than just a fighter jet. It's a symbol of Taiwan's self-reliance and technological prowess. Developed in the 80s as a replacement for aging fighters, its multi-role capabilities, aerodynamic design, advanced avionics, and impressive speed make it a noteworthy aircraft. Having served the Republic of China Air Force for over 2 decades, it continues to be a vital part of Taiwan's air defense. While the Ching-kuo may not be the most advanced jet in the world, it stands as a testament to Taiwan's resilience and determination to protect its skies.